Hello viewers, today I am going to show Rosalia font not showing on Instagram. Okay, let's start. First step, on hold Instagram app. Select, click on, scroll down, select stories, tap on clear says, clear data, tap on delete, tap on permission, select permission, tap on permission and all allow. Notification 1. Back to home and check your Instagram update. Instagram. My Instagram already update. Open your Instagram. And check and plus icon. Tap ABC and I hope you success your problem solve. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.